It's so refreshing? That's what you like about the water?
Yeah. I got me white.
What?
I got white sunflower. Yeah, I got some white sunflower and pink. I got some white sunflower. I'm loving you my sunflower.
Oh, sunflower.
Yeah. You know what that means, honey?
Yeah. I know what sunflower is. What's
Here,
this?
hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl. Okay. Oh. Thanks for sharing.
Thanks.
You watering?
Yeah. That's enough water for sunflower.
Are you going to get in the pool?
Now the sunflower has to grow.
Oh, it has to grow. Sunflower has to grow because it has water now? Has water and sun?
Put some more water now, Mommy.
More water? Okay.
Well, first, winter's coming here first. Then spring comes here. Then summer comes here. And what comes after?
Fall.
What comes after?
After summer is fall. And then winter starts all over again. Well, what are we in right now? What season are we in right now?
Spring.
No. What comes after spring? What comes after spring, Ella? Summer. We're in summer. Summer.
Summer. Oh, yeah. Summer. Oh, yeah. Summer. Oh, yeah.
Summer's what?
Yeah.
You're silly.
And I got dump in the floor.
Okay.
I left him playing him. I'm gonna say here with you. That's I was I can't go swimming without diaper.
That's okay. That's a special diaper for swimming.
Ooh, I like that because I'm very ready.
Can he kick your feet too? Kick your feet. Kick your feet in the water.
Mommy, hold on to me.
I meant to sit on your bum and kick. You're having too much fun?
Yeah! I need help! Help!
What do you need help for? What
What
do you need help for?
I'm happy. I need help.
Why?
I need to get out.
Well, then get out. You can get out.
I can do it.
You can do it.
It is.